Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and granting mock location permission to your Emulator app. This lets you inject coordinates. Once done, install the Android SDK and the emulator image or a dedicated GPS emulator on your phone. Connect your device with USB debugging enabled or launch the Android virtual device. Make sure the emulator control panel is visible so you can push location data immediately. This avoids setup back and forth and gets you into active testing faster. Next, configure the location feed to match your test scenario. Load a GPX or KML route or type in latitude/longitude for a static point. You can also set speed and bearing for movement. Then adjust update interval and accuracy to simulate realistic GPS jitter. Shorter intervals give smoother movement, longer intervals save CPU. Once configured, pick the target emulator or connected device instance and start the feed so the system receives steady simulated positions for your app to consume. Finally, verify that your app reads the simulated coordinates by watching the map or logging location API callbacks. Make sure settings are saved if the tool supports persistence. Restart the emulator or device to confirm the feed resumes. When done, stop the emulator to return to real GPS. If something fails, check that the mock location app is selected in developer options, confirm play services or location providers aren't blocked by VPN, and inspect logs for permission denials so you can correct the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.